Have you ever just stared at a market chart and thought, what am I even looking at? It just feels like a bunch of random, jagged lines, right? Well, today, we're going to dive into a method that's all about finding the hidden story in that chaos. This is the Wyckoff method, and we're starting with the most important part, the philosophy behind it all.
Yeah, let's be honest, to most of us, a price chart just looks like this. It's unpredictable, kind of messy, and honestly, a little overwhelming. It goes up, it goes down, but what's the logic? Is there any logic? It just seems like pure noise. But, and this is the big idea, what if those movements aren't random at all? What if every single one of those wiggles, every peak and every valley, is actually part of a deliberate plan? A story being told by the smartest people in the room? That's the question Richard Wyckoff started with, and his method is his answer. Okay, so our first mission is to learn how to see through all that noise. And the Wyckoff method isn't just another indicator you slap on a chart. Think of it more like a special pair of glasses. It's a whole new way to interpret what's happening, to find the logic hiding in what looks like chaos. And this right here is probably the most crucial thing to get. See, most trading systems focus on what the price is doing right now. But Wyckoff is all about understanding why it's doing it. It's about becoming a detective, finding the footprints of the major players, the smart money, so you can figure out their game plan and play alongside them instead of getting run over. So, to really wrap our heads around this why, Wyckoff came up with this brilliant, kind of genius idea. He created a powerful metaphor, a central character to help us understand the market story. It's time for us to meet the Composite Man. Now, before you start looking for this guy on social media, he's not a real person. It's a mental model. Wyckoff said, hey, let's pretend the entire market is controlled by one single super intelligent entity. Think of it this way. All the giant hedge funds, the big banks, all the institutional players, imagine they all got together and decided to act as one mind. That mind is the Composite Man, and he is incredibly logical. So what's this guy's game plan? It's actually dead simple. He plays the long game. His entire job is to quietly buy up assets. He accumulates them when prices are low and everyone else is panicking. Then, once he's pushed the price way up and everyone is euphoric and rushing to buy, he sells it all back to them. He distributes it for a massive profit. The key is that he actually engineers these market swings to trap the average trader into buying high and selling low. But here's the thing. The Composite Man doesn't just make things happen by magic. He's not operating on a whim. His actions, and by extension, the entire market's movements, are all governed by three simple but really profound fundamental laws. Understanding these is like learning the basic physics of the market, and there are just three of them. That's it. These three laws are the absolute bedrock of the entire Wyckoff method. So let's run through them real quick. First up is the one we all kind of know, but it is everything here. It's simple, right? If more people want to buy something than there are people selling it, demand is bigger than supply, and the price just has to go up. The opposite is also true. This imbalance is the engine behind every single price move, and the Composite Man is an absolute master to manipulating it. All right, law number 2 is where things get really cool, almost predictive. Think of a market that's just moving sideways, not really going anywhere. That's the cause. And the analogy of coiling a spring is perfect here. The longer the market grinds sideways, building that cause, the more energy it's storing up. It's like winding a spring tighter and tighter. A little cause, a little sideways action, creates a small effect. But a big, long cause, that can lead to an absolutely massive trend. And finally, law number 3. This one is like our built-in lie detector for the market. Here, effort just means trading volume, and the result is the price move itself. In a healthy, strong trend, a lot of effort should create a big result. They should be in harmony. When that relationship starts to break down, it's a huge warning sign that something is changing under the surface. And here's exactly what that looks like. Over on the left, we've got perfect harmony. See that big spike in volume? That's the effort. And boom, the price shoots right up. That's the result. Effort matches result. The trend is healthy. But now, look at the right. Uh-oh. You see that huge amount of volume pouring in? All that effort, but the price barely moves. It's hitting a wall. That is a massive red flag. That's divergence, and it's telling you the trend is running out of gas. Okay, so let's do a quick recap. We've got our main character, the Composite Man. We know his rulebook, the 3 fundamental laws. So what's his grand plan? What's the whole point of this game for him? Well, it all boils down to two key phases that make up pretty much the entire market cycle. This is the whole shebang, right here. On one side, you have accumulation. This happens when the market looks terrible, news is bad, everyone is panicking, and our composite man is in the background, quietly buying up everything he can at bargain bin prices. Then, after he's orchestrated a big run-up, we get distribution on the other side. Now the market is euphoric, everyone feels like a genius and is desperate to buy in. And who do you think is selling to them at the top? You got it. He's cashing out.
So when you put all of these pieces together, the composite man, his rules, and his two-part plan, you get a completely new framework for looking at a chart. You're no longer just seeing noise. You're starting to see intention. You're learning to read the footprints he leaves behind.
So, let's just nail this down. The big takeaway is this. The market isn't random. It's a story of cause and effect. That story is directed by our main character, the composite man, who's just a stand-in for all the smart money. He has a simple playbook based on 3 unbreakable laws, and his only goal is to buy low, that's accumulation, and sell high, that's distribution. Once you really internalize this way of thinking, you can start to see his fingerprints all over the chart.
So there you have it. That's the philosophy, the big why that powers the entire Wyckoff method. You now have the mental framework to see the market not as noise, but as a story of intent. But knowing the philosophy is one thing. The real question is, are you ready to learn the how? Because in part 2, we're going to get into the nitty-gritty, the actual schematics and patterns he uses to pull all this off. You are not going to want to miss that.